Hey, what's going on, guys? It's AJ here, and welcome to Unboxed Station. Now today, we're going to be checking out the HP Pavilion 15. Now, I decided to pick one of these up because I found it at an amazing price at Staples, and honestly, I'm a really big fan of the Pavilion series because of its great weight and specs with pretty affordable cost. Now, let's take a look at this box here. Got this open now. First thing we're going to find inside the box is the actual laptop. Now, get this open quick. There it is. That's a pretty nice laptop right there. Now here's the instruction manual and another instruction. Oh no, that's just the warranty manual. And this is charging. The charging brick right there. And the charging cable. Well, these are some pretty boring stuff right here. So I'm gonna put these aside. And now we're gonna take a look at what you guys are actually here for, the actual laptop. Now if you take these little black things off here, these are foam things that protect it. And now let's get this plastic off right now. Little tape right there. Slide it out. Wow. Now at first impressions, I really like this laptop's sleek look and feel. And if you pick one of these up for yourself, you may notice that it's very light. It actually only weighs 4.21 pounds. Now this should make it very easy to transport it to work or someplace else. Now one thing I love about this laptop that I see as a problem in many high-end Ultrabooks is its wide variety of ports. Now on the left side of this laptop, there are two USB 3.1 ports, a 3.5mm headphone jack to connect to headphones or a microphone, an SD card reader, and on the other side, there is a place to plug in your power cord so you can power up your laptop, an Ethernet port for the wired connections, an HDMI port to connect to a TV or any other device, and a USB Type-C port or Thunderbolt 3. Now if you take a look at the inside of this laptop, at first glance you're going to see the fairly average black bezels and the large 15.6-inch 1080p WLED backlit display. Now 1080p is a great medium in my opinion because seeing as today the standards are 1080p and even 4K, anything less is way too low. Now after you power this laptop up, you're going to go through a quick setup with Cortana and then you'll be ready to go. Now the colors on this display are very nice, however I would like it to be a little bit bright. Now if we glance down, you're going to see the backlit keyboard and the very low profile trackpad. Now the keyboard spaces are perfect for my hands, however since my hands are pretty small, someone with larger hands may have some issues. Now the trackpad is really nice, however it's not as nice as something like a glass trackpad on a MacBook. Now I am very pleased with the speakers on this laptop. They are extremely loud and I couldn't have asked for better. I like that they put the speaker on the top, not on the sides, because that's going to deliver you great speaker and sound quality. This laptop is powered by a 7th generation dual-core Intel i7-7500U processor clocked at 2.7 GHz. However, it can turbo up to 3.5. Now, this is backed up by 12 GB of DDR4 RAM, and I feel like 12 GB is a great sweet spot for RAM because 8 GB sometimes is not enough and 16 GB gets a little bit pricey. Now, you're not going to have a problem with storage, seeing as this device has a 1TB SATA hard drive. However, if storage is a problem for you, you can always buy an external 1TB or 2TB hard drive for not very much. Now, HP claims you're going to get 9 hours of juice out of this thing, which should last most people the whole day. However, I'd recommend bringing a charger, seeing as sometimes companies like to exaggerate the battery life on their products. Speaking of chargers, you'll be able to charge this device very fast with HP Quick Charge. They claim it will take at most 2 hours to charge your device, which is a great plus of why you should buy it. Now, this laptop is not meant for very intensive applications, unless you get the model with the NVIDIA graphics card, which costs $1,000 plus. Most of the models come with Intel Graphics 620, therefore heavy gaming and video editing is not going to be the best. But for everyday work and usage, it should be completely fine. Now, on the noise side of things, it is pretty much completely silent when doing everyday work and usage. However, when multitasking, running some heavy programs, it can get a little bit noisy, but this is definitely not a deal breaker for me. Now, there are a lot of pros and cons for this laptop, but for the build I chose, it was completely worth it, seeing as I got it for $500 on sale at Staples. You really can't beat that. Now, if you're wondering, this laptop's normal retail price is $800, which in my opinion is a bit overpriced, seeing as you can get a better laptop for less. So tell me what you think about the HP Pavilion 15. Leave a comment, like, and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.